Sonia lived a happy life with her husband and their 4 children. When she learned she was pregnant again, she was thrilled. But her joy quickly turned to sadness when her husband died of AIDS.
After he died, my son kept asking, "Where's Daddy?" And I just couldn't tell him.
After the funeral, Sonia and her children stayed with her husband's family. Forced to sleep outside with no mosquito nets, Sonia got malaria.
I felt like I was going to die too. I thought, what will happen to my children? They would have no father or mother. That thought kept me alive.
Her husband's family forced her and her children out of their own home.
They beat me and blamed me for his death, but he got AIDS from another woman. I had no control over this. After my husband died, his father told me, everything that was his is now mine. Everything but these children. They kicked us out and there was nothing I could do but put my trust in God.
She took her children to her parents' home, but her parents only had enough money to support themselves.
We spent days without any real food, surviving on what little my mother got from the field.
Then Sonia reached out to LifeChild, a ministry supported by CBN's Orphans Promise. We arranged for the family to move into a children's village run by the ministry. Now they have a place to call home. We also helped Sonia treat her malaria and the HIV infection she got from her husband. A few months after arriving, she had a baby boy who was born healthy and with no HIV.
God answered all of my prayers here. My children couldn't believe they each got their own beds because before we all slept together in my parents' living room.
It is so beautiful here. I love that it is such a beautiful place.
All of the children in the village go to school right here, and there's a clinic that takes care of their medical needs. This is the first of 18 homes being built to help families like Sonia's stay together. As she's supported here, Sonia will help take care of dozens of orphans who desperately need a safe place to live.
I will care for them like they are my own. I thank God that I am here because now I can help other children as well as my own.